If your school is not using some kind of single sign-on to get into Fusion, but instead are using usernames and passwords, you as a teacher will be able to reveal and reset student passwords. Therefore, if a student comes to you saying they don't have their password, you can go to the Manage button, go to Password Manager, and either reveal or reset a student's password. You can also choose to reveal the passwords of an entire group of students. You will only be able to see a password of a student if that student has not changed the password to one of their own. If a student is using their own password, that will be considered private and you will not be able to see it. When logged in as the system administrator, if I go to the Password Manager, you'll see you have the extra rights to reset a teacher password. The administrator also sets the school's password policy. So that's how to reveal and reset student passwords on Fusion.